Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are here to do the exercise of Chapter 2 Bukka Learns a Lesson. Who is Bukka in the chapter? The baby elephant. Let's start. Question number A. Tick the right options to answer the questions. What did Bukka not like doing? And the options are A. Listening to elders, B. Sleeping, C. Crushing snails. And the correct answer is option A. Listening to elders. The correct option is A. Listening to elders. So, we are going to put a tick mark over there. You can put it on the either side of the answer. Second one. Who did all animals complain to? Bukka's mother, the leader of the elephant herd, king of the forest. And the correct answer is the leader of the elephant herd. What do you mean by herd, children? Group of elephants. Okay? I repeat. Who did all the animals complain to? The correct option is B option, the leader of the elephant herd. Question number C. Now children, we have skipped question number B as there is not enough space in your book to write, so we are going to write it in your notebook. So come to question number C now. Put a tick against the sentences that are true or a cross against the ones that are not true. The first one is the young elephants listen to their elders. This statement is true. So you are going to put a tick mark. The young elephants listen to their elders. True. Second one. Bukka made friends with the small creatures. This statement is not true. Bukka made friends with the small creatures? No. He did not make friends with small creatures. He used to do mischief things to them. Okay, his behavior was not proper with the small creatures. So, this statement is not true. Third one. He breaks off branches with nest. Now, who is he in the sentence? It is Bukka. And this statement is true. He breaks off branches with nest. True. Bukka used to break the branches with nest. This was one of his mischief behavior, right? Okay, come to the next one. Number 4. He does not crush snails underfoot. This statement is not true. He does not crush snails underfoot. Not true. This was another mischief behavior of Bukka. He used to crush snails underfoot. So this statement which is given here, that is not, he does not crush snails underfoot. That is a wrong statement. Not true. Number 5. Bukka starts crying when he does not see his family in the morning. And this statement is true. Bukka starts crying when he does not see his family in the morning. Yes, that was true. Although Bukka was very mischief, even then he was a small baby, and when he found himself all alone, he started crying. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.